Everyone, I'm going to show my work for assignment 3.3, which is users and groups. And I've done my work on my command prompt. So this is my command that I've used. First, to create the first group, which is involves the IT department, English sales, call center, external group. I used the pseudo group pad HR, and then I was able to modify the passwords, and you can see it's here. When I place the password, it can't be shown, so it's assumed, and then it works. So that is it for the first one, and then the second one was for the workers that work on the promised land, and here it goes. The entire command that is going to add them in that group and then assign them a password, which is here. Password was successfully applied. And then earlier on, it asked for a new password, which I used the promised 123, promised land 123. So we go to the HR group, and this is assigning them in their various groups. This is English, IT, management, outsourcing, and here it goes. So you have to like specifically in that HR group. And for me to be able to see all the groups that have been created, I'll use the list all groups command, get in group, and then you can see that I verify the users grouping membership, and then it will show all of these groups that have been created and the solutions that have been suggested, asked for. So another question asked of the difference between system user and a regular user. So regular users, they are created for human login interactive, but the systems are created for systems like demos. And the user ID identification is usually starts from 1000. That's for users, regular user, while the one for systems always below 1000. The regular users, they always have a home directory and a shell, while the system may not have. So some of the commands that can be used to remove a user from a group, we can use a command like sudo gp, that's password, then stock d, and then you have to use the username, which may be, for example, we use ted, and then we use the group name that the person is in, that's HR. So that's an example of some of the command that you can use to remove. So you can see it's saying removing user hd ted from the group HR. So thank you so much.